To turn on or off data roaming on Poco F7 Pro, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here go for the mobile networks and go for the data roaming. And select this international roaming, and from here you simply have to select always or for exceptions only, and in this way you turn on the data roaming. And here you can additionally set the daily data limit while roaming. Here you set up the data the limit, and here we have also we can set up the action to perform when exceeded, to only show warning or warn and turn off the mobile data. And the same scenario is for this exceptions only, but here additionally you can also toggle the data roaming exceptions as you go in there. Here are here's the list of all of the applications, and you can set up the exceptions. As you can see, this application can use roaming, for example, and these the rest of these applications cannot. So yeah, that's how to turn on the data roaming. And to simply turn it off, from here you will have to just select this international roaming and select never, just like this, and now the roaming is turned off.